What's up, everybody? 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. And today I'm going to show all my beginners, and even if you're not a beginner, how to wash your 360 waves, your 540s, 720s the proper way. And also I'm going to show you all the products that you will need and where you can get them, and also what discount codes to use so you can take some money off your purchase. So if you're a beginner and you don't know the right way, the proper way, the perfect way to wash your 360 waves and keep your hair looking healthy, this video is definitely for you. How to wash your 360 waves for beginners, and we are starting right now.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright, y'all, so for the wash and style method, you'll need a couple of things. First thing you need is any medium brush that you don't use anymore, or you don't use for your regular brush sessions. You don't mind getting wet. Mine's a 2/6 King Wavy medium brush. And second thing you need, this is a must. Alright, you're gonna need your shampoo bar by We Love Wavers. Alright, you can get this at welovewavers.com. I have that link in my description. Also with a discount code. Discount code is JUICE with a 3 at the end. Y'all get the shampoo bar. It is mandatory for your washing styles. All my beginners, mandatory for your washing styles. You need to shampoo your hair. And don't forget to use the discount code so you get some money off at checkout. Next thing you will need is a detangling shower brush by 360 merch. I also have that link in my description with a discount code for you guys. This is just gonna detangle my hair. You know, you'll need a do-rag. This do-rag right here is a must. It's by 2/6 King Wavy, and it's great for washing styles because you can easily wash out the shampoo or your conditioner because the hose and the do-rag are super big, and it's easier for the water to get through and get rid of all the shampoo and conditioner. Oh, and also I forgot to show you guys what conditioner I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using this Olive Cholesterol Super Shine and Moisturize Deep Conditioning Cream for damaged hair. Well, this is what I'm going to use. This is avocado. It smells great. It smells great. All right, so if you guys don't know what conditioner I'm using, this is the conditioner I'm going to be using. Contains olive oil, a lot of good stuff, good nutrients that your hair needs. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. And of course, we're gonna need a mirror. But before we start, guys, I'm gonna show you what I'm working with my, I think, 3rd week after scalping, I believe. So. I'm still trying to get used to the pattern, but we're slowly getting there, all right? Stay consistent. Now guys, for this part when you're adding the conditioner in, the conditioner is not gonna lather up. It's not gonna lather up as great as the shampoo did. So what you're gonna need to do is if you want it to lather up, you're gonna have to activate it by adding water a little bit at a time. So if you want it to lather, just keep adding just a little bit of water, adding it on, water. Y'all gonna see I'm gonna do that, and y'all gonna see the conditioner lather up over time. Now you're gonna add a little bit of water at a time. Just rub it in. Just go over the conditioner. It's gonna start to lather up. The more water you add, the more lather you get. A lot of people don't know how to make the conditioner lather. This is the secret. Y'all see it's starting to lather up just like the shampoo did. Just keep adding water. There you go, keep adding that water. Keep adding. When you feel like you're ready now, go on with the detangling shower brush. This right here, about 360 merch. Where's that? Yeah, right here. Alright, y'all, so now that you're finished with the detangling shower brush, what you're gonna need to do is take your do-rag with the big holes in it. You wanna put that on, but before you do that, you wanna wet your hands some more and go over your pattern just to make sure that your hair is laid. Because when your hair is laid and you put the do-rag on and rinse it out, it's gonna stay like that. You don't want your hair to, stay like this, little clumps and stuff, and then put the do-rag on. However you leave your hair once you're done with your washing style, that's how it's gonna come out once you rinse your hair with the do-rag on and then unrag 3-4 hours later. You feel me? So you just go over it, wet your hands, and just go over it. Guys, you just want to leave this on your head. Leave the conditioner in your hair for about 25 to 30 minutes before you rinse it out. You know, just to let it do what it has to do. Because the shampoo dehydrates your hair, makes your hair dry, takes all the products that you done put in all last week. All the products in your hair from last week, the shampoo washes all that out. So now your hair is dry. The shampoo also takes away the natural oils from your hair. So the conditioner is going to add all of that back in. Alright, you guys, it's been about 3 hours. Not 2-3 hours. I have somewhere to be. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just moisturize my hair, add products in. But usually if I have nothing to do for the rest of the day, I let my hair dry all the way. It's still a little moist right now. I'm going to show you guys the results, but I'm not going to moisturize on camera. So I'm just going to show you all the results of the wash and style. And I tried to take the conditioner out of my hair. I tried to rinse it out thoroughly, but you know, I'm not that patient, all right, to just rinse my hair out for 10 minutes just to make sure all the conditioner is out. If there's a little bit of conditioner in there, oh well, it's not going to do nothing to my hair. I'm just gonna brush it out anyway. So I'm gonna just unwrap for y'all and show y'all what the results of the wash and style are. I can't even see nothing because it's the camera. I'm still not at my curl length yet. I'm trying to get the 540 with the swirl. Trying to get the pattern right. Trying to get that flowing, but I'm not really sure what I'm doing. But this is what we looking like, guys. After the wash and style, I'm just about to put my products in, do a little brush session. How my crown look though? I know I'm brushing this way. I'm brushing that way instead of, you know, straight back like I used to with my beehive. So I'm brushing like that, and I'm brushing down. Kind of like, I don't know, guys. I'm still getting used to this, but just so you guys won't talk about my hairline, because I do need a haircut. All right, I'm getting a haircut on the 26th of October. That is my birthday, so I'll be getting a haircut. But y'all, that is how I wash my hair. Usually I don't condition, but after a lot of experience, I've learned that you have to condition your hair after adding shampoo, because the shampoo draws out your hair, the conditioner adds moisture back into your hair, blah blah. So now I'm now conditioning my hair. But thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, comment. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. And if you guys want to know what video to watch next, it's gonna be up here. Click it, pay attention, take notes, and watch the full video. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm out of here. Peace.